Coding is basic literacy in the digital age, and it is important for kids to understand and be able to work with the technologies around them. Having children learn coding at a young age prepares them for the future. Coding helps children with communication, creativity, math skill, writing, and confidence. We at Brain Excel channelize them in such a way that they are not just playing games or using apps, but also developing them. At Brain Excel, our concept is to make coding a fun experience while teaching as well as learning. Here is what we offer you: app development course, animation and game development course, website design, graphic design, game development with Python, timeline animation, and all programming languages. For developing app, we have two views: design view and block view. Let's start designing. First, drag label for restaurant name, image to add picture and a button. Same way, we can design screens showing different cuisines. Let's select the Chinese cuisine. Now we start block view. We will drag screen initialize event and add text to speech for welcome message, drag button click event where we redirect to next screen. Same way, we can code for other screens. Let's see the output now. The menu appears if you click on the app. You can select the cuisine by just clicking and then select quantity and order the food. The total amount will be displayed and your order is placed. For web designing, we teach you using HTML to make a static information website for at least 4 pages. Next is the game development course. We teach using Scratch software, which has drag and drop technology. There are 2 levels. The first is logical, where we teach you through block and sequence. The second level enhances your creativity. Timeline animation. Here we have block view, design view, and buttons to write the code, which give you an animation. The courses we offer. We have short duration course for summer and winter vacations, which takes place for 2 weeks to 4 weeks. The long duration course runs from 3 months to 1 year. Why choose us? We provide personalized attention, we have 100% practical approach, qualified and experienced trainers, and our prices are affordable. Our goal is to enrich students with the knowledge we have gained over the years while teaching at Brain Excel.